Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Simple Life brand, their automatic long-lasting toilet cleaner in a bottle. Septic safe, drop-ins, clean and prevent stain buildup over time. This is a 3-count. Every container includes multiple cleaning tablets that are embedded inside here. So you don't have to remove anything, you don't have to get blue all over your hands. Just have to remove this plastic cover on there and drop it into your toilet septic tank part of your toilet bowl, and we're going to demonstrate that. It'll work with the circulation system of the toilet, help prevent stain, deodorize, prolong the time between deep toilet cleaning. So you still have to do some deep cleaning occasionally, but this is going to minimize how often you have to do that. It's a basic set it and forget it. This toilet tablet slowly release cleaning solution over time, prolongs cleaning effectiveness. Each one of these bottles can support up to 20 daily flushes or 2,000 total flushes that could last up to 90 days with regular use. So 3 bottles, which is in this kit, will last almost a year, 9 months. So what's nice is it'll help prevent some of the harder stains that accumulate over time that build up from the water and the calcium, the lime, and the rust. So the way you do this is you remove the outer package and place the bottle into the water tank. You let it sit in the bottom and sit for 10 minutes to dissolve thoroughly. Water turns blue, it's ready to use. So we're going to give this a try. We're going to open one of these up. So here I removed the plastic all the way around, and I even removed the bottom label on there just for demonstration. You don't have to, but I decided to. You can see the chemical in there. It's got a beautiful scent to it. And you can see the little slot openings on this cute pattern, looks like a cat, and you see the ears there, and you see there's some here. This is what's going to cause this to disperse slowly into the water over time. So here I am in my bathroom, and I'm going to use this in this toilet. So I'm going to open up the tank and drop one in. We'll show that. So here I have a LED light just so we can see what's going on. So here is the product. So I'm just going to drop it on the right hand side right there, and you see how it makes bubbles, and that tells you that the water is going in there, and now it's starting to slowly disperse. We're going to leave this alone for a little while, and there it is. And now the water is turned blue after about 5-6 minutes, and now we're ready for the first flush. I want to point out that you could see that there is a cleaning ring that's already starting to happen around the product, because it's already starting to affect the calcium line that's on the tank. So here is the first flush. And you can see it's replacing the water, and it'll be darker with every flush because it's slowly drawing out cleaning chemicals from there. So after testing, what do I think about the Simple Life brand of automatic long-lasting toilet cleaners in a bottle? These are really nice. I like the way they look, I like the way they feel. They're solid, and as I demonstrated, they work really well, and I've used this product before, so I highly recommend this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.